Greetings all, this is Subramanian Chandramouli, author of 4 sales book and sales trainer. We are in the video series of 108 sales question based on my 4th book 108 sales question, and today we are discussing question number 4. Let me read that question for you from my book. I can't afford a big budget on marketing to generate leads. Do you have any specific tips for people like me to generate leads with less budget or no budget? Of course, you can generate leads, my friends. My 3rd book, Don't Spend Money for Generating Leads, exactly talks about that. We will discuss 13 or 14 tips in that book about how to generate leads without spending money. I strongly recommend you buy that book and read. It's a small book, you can finish it in 5 to 6 hours. But let me answer this question. See, when you don't invest money, then you have to invest time and effort. So what are the ways you can generate leads without spending money? One thing is leveraging the social media. If you're in a B2B company, leverage LinkedIn. If you're a B2C company, leverage Facebook and Insta. And what do you do in LinkedIn and Facebook and Insta? Add value to your prospective customers. So for example, I am giving this video to help you generate more leads and improve your sales. Similarly, whatever business you are into, help your prospective customers to grow. So automatically they will see you as an expert, they will come to you. That is one way of lead generation, using social media without spending any money. The other way is to ask referrals to your existing customers. Go and meet your existing customers. If you're not in the same city, have a discussion with them every month or once in 2 months over online and ask for a referral. Your existing customer are a great source of giving leads to you. That is the second way. And the third way is attend conferences, exhibitions and seminars which happens free of cost. So not every exhibition have some entry ticket, okay? You also have some free entry passes for some of the exhibitions. Go to those exhibitions and seminars, generate leads. When you get some revenue out of it, allocate a small portion to invest and buy the paid events and seminars and attend that, and you can generate leads. So friends, lead generation is all in the mind, okay? Money cannot stop you from generating leads, okay? If you have money, it will accelerate lead generation. I agree with that. But money is not the hindrance to generate leads. You have to think, put the efforts, spend some time, and you can generate leads. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.